we brought out the Anjali Dance Theater with Ratna Kumar, the founder, and she was doing a workshop for children for kindergarten through 5th. It's part of our summer reading program and a wonderful opportunity from the young audiences of Houston, bringing different community performers and presenters and workshops from around the area to help promote not only the summer reading program, but also the wonderful people that we have in our community. It's a way just not only to bring people into the library to help with our literacy and to help kids find all the books that we have here, but then also promoting our summer reading program and the prizes that they can win. But like I said, also just to introduce them to parts of the community they may not be familiar with.
This is my way of giving back, to be able to share my culture, my artistic heritage with young people, because it is at this age that they learn the meaning of understanding, appreciation, and tolerance. And I think we need that so much in the world today. And I think these children today, the reactions, it was just so wonderful to me. They did not even for a moment feel that I am from another country. They didn't look at me like I was an alien. They were so enthusiastic and so involved in what they did.
The last couple of years have been really odd, and it's been real different in the library with the amount of people we've seen in and out. And this summer has been fantastic, bringing in a lot of children and helping bring books to them and help them develop their reading skills. And so bringing a program like this to our library not only is a way to show our patrons different members of the community and different aspects that they may not be familiar with, such as Indian dance, but also just something fun for the children to do and connect it with the library with fun.
It was just, for me, it was a beautiful picture of racial and cultural diversity all coming together through an art form. And to me, it is the most meaningful thing. I am so honored to be able to do this.
They're part of the Young Audiences of Houston roster as some of the local performers at the grant program that the Young Audiences is able to bring them to us for this summer for free. It allowed us to bring in more presenters than we had in the past, especially with COVID and everything else. So it's a way just to bring in as many programs as possible, but with Ratna Kumar's group, it was a few weeks ago, we were asked if anybody wanted to have them come up, and we were excited to have them come out and welcome them to our library since we haven't had them out here.
I am so happy to be able to share my knowledge, whatever I have of it, with others. And I feel that Indian dance is really very beautiful and it's very meaningful, and it's a great discipline, not just an art form, and I think it is something that I feel is worthy of being shared with others. Just like I attend performances of all other different ethnicities, cultures in this city, and love every one of them. And I feel there's so much of beauty in every art form. So I am, as a proud Indian American, I want to share my heritage with others.
We've had such a fun time with our summer reading program and bringing in all kinds of different families that haven't been to the library before and introducing them to fun programs and things that we do here, and just ways of developing their literacy skills and bringing them books and movies and all kinds of things that the Fort Bend County Libraries provide.